Hey, what's going on? Jamie here, and I just want to tell you a little bit about this new program that I've made available called Marketing Strategy. Now, to be honest, it goes a lot deeper than marketing. We're looking at strategic planning within business, but marketing is the core element that runs through it because we want to look at a goal that we want to achieve within the next 3 months, and we want to break that down into how we can achieve it and how our marketing is going to help us to make that happen, basically. We're going to look at it from either a case of, look, things aren't going how you want them to go, and you need a bit of a boost within your business. Maybe things are pretty decent, but you want to make things more manageable. You want to make things measurable, so you know what's happening. Maybe things are going really well, and you want to take things to the next level. This is all going to help no matter what stage you're at, because any kind of business needs to plan what it wants to achieve. And I'm going to show you now. This is something I've been doing with clients for the past 5 years. So let me just show you quickly what I do for clients. So if we just bring this up here, I mean, I've blurred this out just to basically just for the client, really, just to obviously make sure that we're not showing anything that they have here. But you'll see that there's a good kind of 15, 16, 17 different slides here. And what we look at is the overall view, the objective that we want to achieve within the next 3 months. We look at, between sort of two, three objectives that we want to achieve. We then look at how we can make this happen. And we look at the different elements for what's needed, which different platforms we can use, the tactics we can use. And then we break this down into little milestones. So each month, this one here is actually on an 8-week cycle. So we look at this as fortnights, but you can break it down into months, fortnights, even weeks. And you can just do the things really, you can put the things in here to basically give you those action steps to make it happen. And what I'm going to do with this course is we're going to break it down step by step so that you know exactly how to make things happen. So you can plan out your 3-month goal. We can then look at what needs to happen to achieve that and how you can make it happen. And you can repeat this then every 3 months. This is what I used to do with clients one-on-one. I put it into a course with a workbook, templates, everything like that to make things go really quickly for you. And yeah, I've added in some extra kind of benefits as well. So you get free one-to-one calls with me. We've got some courses. We've got a little kind of group chat as well that goes on each month. And this whole point is to give you the confidence, the courage, the clarity, everything that you need over your kind of strategic planning for your business goals and your strategic marketing. And I've basically made this at a fraction of the cost of what I would usually charge to do this one-on-one. The reason why I've priced it so low is, one, to help people who I spoke with over the past couple of years who haven't got involved for mainly that down to money reasons, but also because I want to launch this as a bigger kind of offering early next year. And I want some kick-ass case studies to put alongside that. And what better way than having case studies from people that I know and I've helped along the way. So look, this here, I can't explain. I wish I could explain how valuable it would be to you and your business. Everything on this page is going to explain it in a bit more. But I just wanted to give you a little kind of overview of what you will be creating. And it's self-paced as well. So you could kind of binge this, within a day. We're going to put it into the members area on the 1st of December. You could do it all within a day. You could take a week. You could take a month, whatever you need to do with this to basically go at your own pace and to make it work for you. But all the information, everything you need is going to be in there. And as you'll see, as you go down this page, all the support is there as well. So, you get all the support which is needed throughout. So it's not just a case of having a course where, you have a look at it and that's it. We want you to achieve this. I want you to make this happen, and I'm going to do what I can to support you with that. So check everything out on this page. It's basically only running for a limited time or two. We get to a limited amount of enrollments. I've capped this at 10 people, and the reason I've done this is because, look, I'm going to invest my time into this with the one-to-ones and support as well. So there's only so much of me that I can give. So yeah, look, this is your chance to get this deal, and hopefully I'll see you on the inside.